Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're going to reset a fingerprint now. First, make sure your iPhone 8 has recent iOS and at least 20% battery. This prevents interruptions. Open Settings, tap Touch ID and Passcode, and enter your passcode so you can manage fingerprints. Once inside, either delete old fingerprints to avoid confusion or choose Add a fingerprint to start fresh. Do this now. It clears inconsistent reads and prepares the sensor to learn a new touch profile for better accuracy. Now you'll teach the sensor your finger. Place your finger flat on the home button and lift when prompted. The phone records the center first because it's most consistent. Gradually vary the angle and include the fingertip edges so the sensor learns multiple contact points. This reduces failed matches. Keep following the on-screen prompts until the progress reaches full. If you feel unsure, repeat small adjustments. Better coverage means quicker, more reliable unlocks, and smoother Apple Pay use. Finish by naming the fingerprint so you remember which finger you used, then lock and unlock several times and test Apple Pay if you use it. If the sensor struggles, remove and add the fingerprint again, choosing a slightly different placement. This fixes partial or inconsistent scans. For persistent issues, clean the home button with a dry cloth and restart the iPhone. If that fails, inspect for screen protectors or damage, because physical obstruction or hardware faults are common causes of Touch ID.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.